Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you, calling all photos of snowflakes, wink, wink, that you find in your area first thing in the morning. Send them and upload them to hutchesweather.com. Let's take a look at your forecast beginning right now.
A Hutch's Weather Update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, our radar is looking mighty wet out there as we head into the evening hours tonight. Here's a look at the scattered showers, still heavy in central North Dakota. We have upwards of 7 inches of rain reported over the last 7 days, and it continues to spread its way from west, or east to west, rather, as we go through the evening hours. Still a few on the I-94 corridor out here. We'll get a little bit of a break up in our northern counties, which has been fairly dry. And here's another look at the rainfall totals from across the area. The last 2 days, we've had some wet weather here across portions of the Southern Valley. Look at Fargo. Look at the Hawley area. 1.5 to 2+ inches of rain in parts of Clay County. Get into north central parts of North Dakota, a little bit lower there, only 8/100ths out there in the Bottineau area, but significantly more rain as we head into south central North Dakota, where the last round of rain really brought it. And I mean really brought it. So when you calculate and add up the couple inches here and what fell earlier in the forecast period through the weekend, last weekend, look at this. Some areas with 7 inches or more of rain. Southern Grant County, here near Lake Sakakawea on the south shore, 6 to 7 inches there, and it is still raining and will continue overnight. Same thing goes for parts of eastern North Dakota and southern and central Minnesota as well. Let's take a quick peek at that forecast, and to do that, we're going to look at let's take a look at this hour-by-hour forecast, and we're going to change this over and take a peek at the European model. And the European model, a couple of reasons why I'm switching over this, showing a mix of precipitation. There could be accumulation on grassy areas first thing in the morning, and the European model does show the best chance, where I like it, north central to central parts of North Dakota, slowly pushing back. Now, this system has not pushed moisture all the way back in toward Montana, so I do think it's going to stay mainly in North Dakota with a chance for some light accumulation on grassy areas. The rain showers continue until the evening, and then this system starts to dry up, and then we start heading into some cold morning temperatures Thursday, but much milder weather as we go into the extended forecast period. Now, let me show you these temperatures as we go through. Here's the cold enough air for some snowflakes mixing in as we go into your Wednesday morning with low 30s, and then the warmth starts to push its way in as we head into Thursday afternoon. After a cold start in the mid 30s in our area under clear skies, we're rocking the 60s. And then as we head toward the late week, the 60s and 70s will be pretty common as we go through Sunday. A much better chance at some low to mid 70s across portions of North Dakota and the Valley on your Memorial Day. Looking very pleasant indeed with some 70s that will be back in action here. So your forecast summary looks like this. Overnight temperatures will be dipping into those mid 30s for a few, and a few flakes could be mixing in mainly in central North Dakota, back out towards western North Dakota. For us, rain showers continue, and they're going to be pushing in from the east and pushing toward the west. Afternoon temperatures for your day tomorrow, 59 in Grand Forks, where the warmest weather was today. Northern Minnesota, thanks to the lack of rain, where we have the rain showers persisting. We'll have temperatures in the 30s and 40s once again. Fargo breaking out of that late in the day, and some low to mid 50s are going to be in order. Another ½ inch of rain for many of us. Some could see some measurable snow, 1 to 2 inches, not out of the question in central North Dakota, all the way back into the western part of the state. Everyone's not getting this. It just depends where we set up with that right lower atmospheric temperature profile that we'll worry about that in the 7-day picture. Looking like a full bucket of awesome sauce. Yes, that's right. How about the 60s to mid 70s as we go through the latter portion of your holiday weekend here for Memorial Day. Saturday, Friday night and Saturday, a chance for some spotty showers through South Dakota. I'll keep you apprised of that. Thanks for watching hutchesweather.com and uploading all of your photos. There's some dandies on there. Check them out. Upload your snow photos in the morning right there. Follow me on Facebook, as over now 62,000 of you have. Subscribe on YouTube, but more importantly, have an awesome evening and an even more awesomer hump day.